In my previous video, I showed you the 3 coffee drinks that baristas often have at the beginning of their shift and why these 3 coffee drinks are very important to you as a barista, either you're a beginner barista or as an advanced barista. But in this video, I'd like to invite you to join me work in a coffee shop as a barista. I'm going to be showing you the basic duties that baristas do at the beginning of their shift. Some of these basic duties you have seen them and some you haven't seen them. But I would like to take you back to the start of the day so that you can know how we prepared everything and set up our station so that we can be able to make these coffees for our customers. Welcome. 6:45 is when we arrive at our coffee shop. This is going to enable us finish our morning duties on time so that we can make that perfect cup of coffee to our customers. I start by opening up the coffee shop. As a morning barista, it's my first duty. After opening up our coffee shop, then we're going to turn on the lights in the coffee shop. After turning on the lights, we're going to turn on our espresso machine. This is very important. As a morning barista, you need to first turn on your espresso machine so that it can heat up and reach the brewing temperature. We're going to clean our pot filters since they were soaked in a chemical solution overnight. We're going to clean them with soap. Then rinse them with clean water so that you can remove any chemical from your pot filters as a shower screen. Then we go to fix our shower screen in our group head since they were also soaked together with the pot filters. After fixing our shower screen in both of our group head, to fix our pot filters in our group head. We're going to flush our group heads. This is going to help us heat up our pot filters so that they can also acquire the right temperature for brewing the perfect cup of coffee. Next, we're going to purge our steaming one. You're going to remove the remaining steam in the steaming one because it has resulted into water, so that you can have the fresh steam to steam your milk and create a perfect latte art. Then we're going to clean our espresso machine. This is very important. You need to have always a clean espresso machine in your working station. After cleaning, we're going to prepare the garbage bag. This is where we throw our coffee packs after extracting them. We're going to clean espresso grinder and also the bar full. You need to have always a clean working station as a barista. As a morning barista, I find cleaning and organizing my station is one of the things that take much of my morning time as a barista. So you're going to need to clean everywhere and set up everything so that you can be able to have a good working shift, a clean working environment. So after cleaning my bar, I'm going to come outside and organize everything so that we can have a good and a clean, organized place. This is very important as a barista. It's a bonus that you need to do every morning. Not only making coffee, but as a barista, these are some of the duties that you need to do in the morning. You need to clean and organize everything, not only in the bar, but also outside. I will also prepare the outside sitting area. This is one of the things that I always advise to the beginner barista. I always inform them. Being a barista is not only about making coffee, but it's also about cleaning and organizing your working station, because it's the duty of a barista to do each and everything in your coffee shop so that you can be able to have an organized place. Having a clean and organized place gives a bonus to you as a barista. After arranging everything, we'll come back inside the coffee shop. After cleaning and arranging everything inside the dining and outside dining, then we're going to restock the items that we're going to need on our working shift. This is very important. Nothing is very stressing as a barista working on your shift and you find something has run out, yet you didn't fill it up. So you're going to need to restock all the milk. Check the expiry dates, because this is very important. As a barista, you need to check your expiry dates of the products that you're selling, because it's not good for you to be selling something that's expired. So you're going to need to do it in your morning. Double check, find everything that you need to fix in your working station. Anything that needs to be refilled, you need to refill it as a barista, because it's your morning duty as a barista. Then after fixing our cups and also restocking our milks, then we're going to refill our coffee bean hoppers. This is very important. Some of the times we remove the coffee beans from the hopper because we don't want them to lose the flavors and aroma. Then we're going to put them back in the morning so that we can be able to grind them and make a perfect cup of coffee for our customers. So after refilling up our coffee grinder, we're going to calibrate our espresso grinders. If you're not good in coffee grinder calibration, I'll link my video in the description below. You can check it out after this video. It's a full guide on how you can calibrate your coffee grinder so that you can brew the best shot of espressos. So our first shot that we pull from our coffee grinders, we don't use it because it's not consistent, and also we use it to warm up our pot filter. Then we're going to start testing our next shot. This is the shot that we're going to check and compare it to our brew recipe for the espresso. After achieving the right measurements of our recipe for the espresso, this is very important because you're going to follow the dose, yield and the time. After achieving this perfectly, then we're going to test our espressos. After dialing in our espressos, we are ready to make our coffee for the customers.